Let me show you how to install a Martin spring latch lock system. There's a set of instructions inside. Follow those. And the first thing you need, of course, is a couple of holes in your door. If you're lucky, these holes have already been drilled. If not, these two holes are .375 and this one's .875. With the holes drilled, simply take the T-handle and slide it through the holes. Now, using these screws, insert them through these holes. And tighten it down with the Phillips driver. You slide these spacer washers on, and the swivel with the cable slides on next, and finally this push nut. Now we'll attach the latch and striker at the side. This is the spring latch, and it installs here right over the number 1 hinge. Remove the first screw. And there's already holes provided. Use 3 fasteners. And you want to adjust the striker with the door resting against the floor so the striker catches the top of the spring latch.